If you're experiencing pending transfers on Cash App, it can be frustrating. This guide will help you resolve those issues quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause delays in processing transactions. Step 2. Review transaction details. Open Cash App and navigate to the Activity tab. Look for the pending transfer and check the details to ensure everything is correct, including the recipient's information and the amount. Step 3. Cancel the pending transfer. If you find an error or the transfer is taking too long, you can cancel it. Tap on the pending transaction, then select the option to cancel. Confirm your choice to stop the transfer. Step 4. Contact Cash App support. If the transfer remains pending after cancellation or if you encounter issues, reach out to Cash App support. Use the app support feature or visit their website for assistance. Step 5. Wait for processing. Sometimes transfers may take longer due to bank processing times. If you've reconfirmed everything is correct and have contacted support, be patient and allow some time for the transaction to complete. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve any pending transfers on Cash App effectively.